Tracking time is an essential part of how many creative agencies and businesses run. Whether it is about billing for that time, making sure you stay on track with the budget you quoted the client, or simply understanding how long projects take, time tracking helps with making strategic decisions easier. In FunctionFox, we've made the timesheet page as simple to use as possible. Select the client you're doing the work for, what project you are currently working on, then the task category it fits into. Then plug in the time you spent in either decimal hours or in hours and minutes, write a small description and hit Save New. The entry appears below and can be edited or deleted using the pencil or trash icons respectively. Know you're going to be working on something for a while and want to get the time accuracy correct down to the second? Rather than plugging the time in, write your description and hit Save New and Start Timer. A new entry will appear with a teal clock icon, meaning you have a timer currently running. To turn it off, simply click on it and you can do the same to turn it back on. You can use this to have multiple entries ready and switch timers accordingly. Want to get a better grasp on your week or month as a whole and the entries you've put in? My Week and My Month give you easy access to previous days to add, edit, or delete entries as needed. Want to learn more about the features in FunctionFox? Check out our resources online or give us a shout to find out how FunctionFox can help your team stay creative.